Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next product in exchange for an honest review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This is a PS5 cooling fan. If you have a PS5, you know that it often runs hot, and when it runs hot, games don't like it. So that's where a cooling fan like this can really come in handy. So here's what it looks like. It actually fits onto the back of your PS5 Slim, and I'm going to show you how the whole thing works in a moment here. I'm not going to put it on my PS5 Slim because that's in the back of an entertainment center, and I can't actually get a good angle with my camera. But here's what it looks like. The way it works is it just kind of fits on the back, and it has three separate fans, one, two, and three down the bottom. Now, it gets powered by a little USB port. And again, your PS5 actually has a USB port in the back. You plug that right into the PS5 USB port, power comes through this thing, and all three fans come on. Here's the other cool feature. On the front, you have another pass-through USB port. So you don't lose any USB ports. You can still plug accessories into this, and you can still run accessories off of this, even with this fan on the back. With this little button right here, as a power button, it's off, but you can go and press it on for low, medium, and high. So there are three separate fan speeds. When the fans run, they have a little blue LED, so that you can kind of know that it's running. The fans also have kind of a memory. So if you are running it at medium and you turn your PS5 Slim off and go away for the day and come back, when you turn your PS5 Slim back on, this thing will start back up on medium. So you don't have to keep going back and reaching around and turning it on and off. Whatever setting you set it at, it will go ahead and stay there. When it runs, it's relatively quiet. Like all three modes are under 35 decibels. I'm going to show you how it runs, but you'll see how amazingly quiet and cool it really is. So for this demonstration, instead of putting it again behind my PS5 where you can't really see it, I'm going to go ahead and plug a battery right into the back here. You see, oh, gee, nothing's going on. But watch this. When I press this button, they're blue, and there we go. And now the fans are blowing. This is actually low. There's medium, and then there's high. And you can see it nice and blue. It looks really cool when it's back there. It actually lights up my entire kind of back wall. Again, PS5 is in an entertainment center, and the whole thing is kind of a blue. It really does look pretty neat. Just to kind of show you how well these fans work, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of tissue paper right here on top of it. So here we have the whole thing turned off right now, and I'll hold it like this. So we have the whole thing turned off. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. That's low, and you can see it's actually a good airflow there. I'm going to press it to the next one. That's medium. It's a little bit higher, but then here's actually high. And you can see me crack that open there. Let me get that. But there you go. You can see that it's actually blowing fairly well. And if I turn it back off again, the whole thing goes back down. So overall, it does work very well. It does cool off my PS5. I haven't had any heat issues since I've been using this. So yeah, it's highly recommended. It looks really cool. It works really well. And you still have your USB port in the back. It's a great little product for a PS5 Slim.